for plug-and-play device setup, built-in failover, and rock-solid reliability? That's what IDIS DirectIP delivers, without the hassle. Let's hear from our IDIS expert and see it in action.
Okay, hello, my name is Abraham Salgado. I'm here with IDIS Americas, here at ISC West. And here I'm showcasing DirectIP experience, showcasing our MBRs in our retail DV1304 boxes, which is our AI solution. Our AI solution includes heat mapping, people counting, and queue monitoring. We also are showcasing our mini PTZs, along with our NBRs and ISS client, which allows you to connect to your recorder. It allows you to connect to your system using FEN, which is a flexible network that allows you to connect devices in remotely. With FEN, you can monitor your surveillance system from anywhere, ensuring flexibility and real-time management at any time. Here we have our recorders that's connected to the switch, and that switch also has a DV1304. All this is added using DirectIP, which allows to just click and add devices without using credentials. And there's also a security feature called Certificate Mutual Authentication. The system handles the cameras, connections, and making installation quick and hassle-free. Key advantages include secure mutual authentication, ensuring that the connection between the device is safe and reliable. This plug-and-play feature eliminates complex setups and ensures a streamlined, secure connection across your network. Here we're also featuring our smart failover cameras. These cameras have SD card added onto them, so that way whenever disconnection happens to the server, smart failover takes over and records the footage into the camera itself, and then that footage that's missing is added onto the recorder itself. Here we're featuring the fisheye 12 megapixel camera, which also has their smart failover feature as well. This has an IR fixed focal length, our LED of 15 meters, audio in, audio out, alarm in, alarm out. It's a low profile design as well, IP10, IP67, which is environmental certifications, NDA compliant, TA compliant as well. This is a 5 megapixel AI dome camera with LightMaster near sensor. This one has IDLA in it as well, so it can detect human vehicles. This one has also audio in, audio out, alarm in, micro SD for small lower takeover as well, NDA compliant and TA compliant. So we have a mini PTZ camera here. There's a 2 megapixel camera, has an optical zoom up to 12 times, alarm audio in, audio out, has alarm in, alarm out as well. It has a micro SD, which has a smart failover feature. It's a compact design, and it has NDA, TA compliant as well. In this demo, we're showcasing this IDIS Center demo available list. We have A-cut, fisheye, dewarping, shortcuts, rubber band, smart image filter. And we also have the MBR available list, which is plug and play, thumbs up search, device status. Here you have ISS client showcasing our AI analytics on the right side here, and then fisheye here, which is showcasing the same camera but in different views from different angles, which offers a powerful tool. During this session, you'll experience firsthand how IDIS DirectIP simplifies operations while maintaining enterprise-level security across a variety of surveillance applications. That wraps it up for now. Thank you for joining me for DirectIP experience. Thank you again. Join me next time.
Thank you for joining us here today, and we'll see you in the next video.